subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe. And also press the bell icon.
We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Hey guys, and Assalamualaikum. This is Farwa. Today I'm here for another video which is called this berry smoky eye makeup look. So I've created this makeup look, and today's shout out goes to this person right here. Only one shout out. This person right here. And I am really sad. I've polled on my Instagram that do you guys want my videos to be more than 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes? But you guys said less than 10 minutes. Like, seriously? Are you kidding? But anyway, this video is less than 10 minutes. Okay, enjoy it. This makeup we are just going to do eye makeup. This is not a full face makeup. This is just eye makeup. And yeah. So if you wanted to know how to do this pretty simple smoky eye makeup, then keep on watching. Conceal my eye, I'm gonna use this Kiss Beauty contour stick. This is my concealer, my everything. So here's it. I'm going to use this concealer side, and look, I finished it so much. There's less left, and this one is broke. Okay, whatever. We don't need this. We just need this. I'm going to apply this a lot, like this, to just really conceal my eyes. Like this, just a lot, as much as I can use it. This with this buffing brush. Set my face with this contour palette, not my face, my eyes actually. I'm gonna take this a lighter shade. Then I'm just gonna set my eyes with this, and I'm like dabbing motion and like trying to make my creases out. Like this. Okay. Like this. So for the eyes today, I'm going to use this Sophia actually eyeshadow palette and this Venus Marble eyeshadow palette. I got these both from Darazur PK, and I'm using these both because I want the shades from these both. But you can use any palette. Just make sure the whatever palette you are using, the shades are the same. Otherwise, you will not be able to create this look. But yeah. We will need this Sophia Ashley eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade, this pinky shade right there. I'm going to swatch that for you guys. Look, I'm going to use this shade in my crease, the blending brush, and my blending brush is dirty, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use this pinky shade right there, right here. I'm going to tap off the excess, and these colors are really pigmented. Just love the pigmentation of them. Use this Venus Marble eyeshadow palette. Use the shade Velvet from here. This velvet shade. I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys too. This is a really chalky color. I don't know why. I don't know how I will be able to manage to do this look, but yeah, we'll do it. Obviously, I have to do it for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna use this pencil brush, or you can use any smaller blending brush, but I'm going to use this because I have this the smallest blending brush in my collection. Okay. And I'm going to use this black shade. Okay, so gonna apply it more deeply. More deeply. So that is done now. Then I'm going with this Venus My Palette shadow palette and I'm gonna take this shade Honeymoon and take a flat brush and the Honeymoon shade. Oops. So guys, after cleaning my eyes, I will be right back. Guys, after cleaning it, it's looking 1000% better. Like, I'm so happy it's looking now good as to me. Look, I hope you guys have seen this. Now guys, I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Paul Frank eyeliner because we need a liner, obviously. For this look, we will need a liner, but a really small liner. You have to make sure it's really small. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking. We're gonna do our lower lash line. Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Yeah, that's what you call. Okay, I'm gonna apply not into my waterline. I'm going to apply here. Eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this pink and this where's that shade? This red shade right here. Now for my lashes, I'm gonna curl them. So now you guys can see my lashes. Again, I mascara by Kiss Beauty, and the hair I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm going to take my highlighter and this around this smudger, or I don't know. I use it in my inner corners. So guys, I will be back with my other eye done and my makeup done. So guys, my makeup is done now and you guys can literally see each and everything. My highlighter, my contour and my lips. Okay, so this is the eye makeup. I really hope you guys liked this video. Yeah guys, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell icon. And as a token of love, appreciate me, give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can also come and visit my channel, and if they like, then they can subscribe to my channel too. So yeah, bye bye, take care, stay blessed.